Here I was working on a Jeep Cherokee TrailHawk, and I think it was like a 2017, 18, 19, one of those. And I was replacing the control arms, and because of the bushings, and I wanted to show a real quick trick on how to get it out faster, because usually you have to get the front bumper off to get one of the bolts or a couple of the bolts that cover like this frame piece. But if you have the TrailHawk version, you can actually get that top bolt from where the tow hooks are. There's like a little bit of space. I was using a 1/4-inch ratchet here, but you could use a 3/8 ratchet and get to that top 15mm bolt. And then the bottom 15mm bolts you can get from the bottom. You just have to bend the splash shield a little bit, but they come out. And you don't have to remove the bumper. And if you're like me, you don't like to remove the bumper, because it's sometimes it gets hard to realign, or sometimes those clips will break. So this is an easier way to get it. And then to get those frames down, those pieces of aluminum frames down, you have to actually push the tow hook a little to the rear. You have to loosen there's a bolt in the front, and then there's 2 bolts back here, which are 13mm bolts. And you don't have to take them out, you just have to loosen them up. You see those bolts, one on each side, and then there's one in the front right there. And then you have to hit it in the front with like a mallet, and just a little bit, so the frames will come down, because if you don't, they're squished in between the plates. And then once you get the bolt out, if you want to put it back in easier, you can go through back here from the bumper. And here I'm trying to show where the hole is, but it's kind of hard to show. But yeah, you can put the bolt back in on each side. You just sneak your hand in there, put the bolt in, start it, and then come from the front and tighten it down with the 3/8 extensions. And there's space, like I said. You just have to use a wobble socket or a wobble extension. So hopefully that helps you out, and you don't have to remove the bumper, because it's a pretty long process. Yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know.